Hello, a warm welcome to everyone watching this video. What we'll be doing here is we'll be displaying a project, and our project's name is A Voice in the Dark. What it does is in the name itself, A Voice in the Dark. We are making a project that will primarily aid the blind. And how we aim to do this is by introducing a system where a blind person will be able to ask for whatever object he wants. He then will take a photo of his surroundings, and then by applying a mixture of neural networks and image processing techniques, will be able to identify whether the object is present in the given image and the distance of that object from the person. And the output will again be transmitted in the form of an audio file, and so that the blind person will understand. Now I'll have Akshit continuing with the further technicalities.
Well, as Pranav told that we have discussed about the neural networks, the approach of neural networks into a program, it's used for object detection. The neural network that we have used here is a two-layer, multi-layer neural network, using the techniques of dropout and also various techniques of regularization to improve the training accuracy and test accuracy of our system. It's also very important to note that we have used some of the image processing techniques to improve our accuracy. Besides that, we've been using speech recognition to analyze, to get the idea of the object, what object is it that the blind person needs, and then we take a picture of it, and then that picture is submitted as an input to the neural network so that it can recognize that image, detect it, and then calculate the distance from it.
Now we'll be showing the demonstration of how our neural network learns, so please concentrate your attention towards our screen. Thank you.
What can I call you? Hi, Tom. What are you looking for? Headphones. Great. Click a picture so that I can find it for you.
इसका खत्म ही नहीं किया बस.
Well, as you can see, we have received the image of the picture taken by the blind person. Now we will show you the code and how it is working and how it is going to detect the object. Okay, here we are at the code and we have received the image, so we are going to simply just run the code. And as you see, it's starting the cameras. Now it's running the object detection, and as you can see, it's detecting a parts of it. This is a zoomed image taken. The zoomed image is automatic, and it slowly detects around. You can see that there is watch, there is headphones, the possibilities of what it might be, and it is very successfully taking a look at it and identify them with the proper probabilities. Now, as the frame moves at a different position, the probability of being the headphone slowly reduces, and as soon as the frame reaches the place where there is an actual headphone placed, the probability rises there. As you can see, this is it, and this is the distance in inches from the headphone to the user, the 44. That's it. As you can see, the computer program just responded. The distance from the user is 44 inches, which is around 3.5 feet. So the user can now detect the object and where it is.
So now you know the functionality of this product. What this should have been was a headset that the visually impaired could wear, and it could work as a headgear. So that, let's just look at it in a way which actually emphasizes what its use is in the future, not just now, because of the lack of time and equipment. We could not really assemble everything and make it complete product. So let's just see what would be in the future. For example, if a guy is visually impaired, right, he wears this, he goes out into the world, he could travel anywhere he wants to, he could tackle, for example, he could see traffic with the help of this, he could, let's just say, work his life through it, right? And he could also locate things in his house. It's sort of an assistance to the visually impaired, and more than anything else, we should think about what impact this could have in various other aspects of their lives, and the visually impaired and start out this way. Thank you.